Have you ever wondered how some brands seem to effortlessly connect with their audiences through influencer marketing? In today's digital landscape, influencer marketing has become an indispensable strategy for brands looking to enhance their visibility and engagement online. However, as the influencer ecosystem evolves, the need for efficient and effective tools to manage campaigns has never been more critical. Whether you're a seasoned marketing expert or an eager marketer just getting started, leveraging the right set of tools is key. That's where Influencity comes in. This all-in-one platform offers a comprehensive suite of time-saving tools that streamline every aspect of influencer marketing. From discovering the ideal influencers for your brand to tracking campaign performance and analyzing results, Influencity simplifies the complex processes involved in successful influencer marketing. So, without further ado, let's explore how these tools can elevate your influencer marketing strategy. The benefits of influencer marketing tools. In today's competitive landscape, leveraging influencer marketing tools, particularly those offered by Influencity, can dramatically enhance your brand's visibility and engagement. Here's why utilizing Influencity's suite of tools is essential for your marketing strategy. Number 1, efficiency. These tools simplify complex processes, allowing marketing teams to save time and focus on creative strategies instead of administrative tasks. Number 2, precise targeting. The ability to find influencers that align with the brand and its audience facilitates more effective targeting, increasing the chances of campaign success. Number 3, performance analysis. They provide detailed insights into the effectiveness of influencers, enabling brands to make informed decisions based on real data rather than superficial numbers. Number 4, relationship management. They help maintain strong relationships with influencers, improving collaboration and communication in the long term. Number 5, ROI measurement. They assist in tracking the return on investment of campaigns, ensuring that brands can evaluate the impact of their marketing efforts and make necessary adjustments. Number 6, automation. Tools automate tasks such as sending emails, managing payments, and scheduling posts, reducing the manual workload as well as errors. Number 7, comprehensive reporting. They offer detailed reports that allow brands to evaluate the performance of their campaigns holistically, identifying areas for improvement and opportunities for future collaborations. So, let's look at the top time-saving tools that can optimize your influencer marketing strategy today. Number 1, influencer discovery. Let's begin with the basics. Finding the right influencers. We know that this can be a daunting task, but identifying influencers who align with your brand's values and audience is crucial. By leveraging advanced search capabilities, these platforms enable brands to identify potential influencer partners across a wide array of niches and demographics, streamlining the initial and perhaps most critical step of any influencer marketing campaign. Influencity's Discover feature simplifies this process by allowing you to search for influencers based on specific criteria, such as follower count, engagement rates, and audience demographics. For example, if you're looking for micro-influencers in the beauty niche, you can filter your search accordingly, ensuring that you connect with individuals who align perfectly with your brand. Number 2, influencer analysis. Once you identify potential influencers, it's crucial to analyze their effectiveness. These tools delve beyond surface-level metrics to offer a comprehensive analysis of an influencer's profile, ensuring that brands align themselves with individuals who not only have significant reach, but also demonstrate engagement, authenticity, and alignment with the brand's values. Influencity's AI-powered influencer analysis tool provides in-depth insights into followers, engagement rates, and audience demographics, enabling you to assess whether an influencer is genuinely a good fit for your brand. Rather than relying on superficial metrics like follower counts, you can evaluate actual performance metrics. For example, if you find an influencer with a large following but a low engagement, you might reconsider your collaboration. This analytical approach ensures that your marketing budget is spent wisely, maximizing ROI. Number 3, influencer relationship management tools. Maintaining relationships with multiple influencers can be challenging. IRN tools act as a centralized hub for storing and managing all information related to influencers, streamlining collaboration and communication within teams. This helps brands to build stronger connections, track progress, and measure the effectiveness of their influencer partnerships over time. Influencity's IRM feature centralizes all of your influencer data, including notes on past collaborations and communications. This tool helps you to keep track of your interactions to build stronger, more productive relationships over time. Imagine being able to quickly reference past campaigns and tailor your outreach based on previous successes. This not only enhances collaboration, but it also fosters loyalty among influencers, leading to long-term partnerships. Number 4, influencer outreach. Outreach is crucial for establishing collaborations. You can use these tools to send personalized communications to influencers, making the outreach process not only more efficient, but also more effective. Influencity streamlines this process with its influencer outreach feature, which allows you to send personalized emails directly from the platform. You can create templates tailored to specific influencers, increasing the likelihood of a positive response. For example, if you're reaching out to a fashion influencer, you can highlight how their style resonates with your upcoming campaign. Number 5, influencer payments. Managing payments can become complicated, especially with international influencers. Influencer payment tools streamline the financial aspect of influencer marketing by simplifying the process of compensating influencers. Influencity simplifies this with a payment feature that consolidates all transactions into one invoice, regardless of the currency. This saves time and it minimizes the risk of errors when managing payments across different countries. For instance, converting payments from euros or pounds into US dollars involves complex calculations and an understanding of current exchange rates. Influencity automates and manages this process, allowing brands to focus on their marketing campaigns rather than the intricacies of international finance. Number 6, influencer gifting and coupon tools. Sending products to influencers is an excellent way to boost visibility. For example, by offering personalized coupon codes, brands can track the direct impact of their influencer collaborations on sales, making these tools invaluable for measuring campaign effectiveness and ROI. These tools help brands effortlessly send gifts or product samples to influencers. Influencity offers gifting tools that automate the distribution process, allowing you to send gifts or coupons effortlessly. You can track how influencers use your products and their direct impact on sales. For instance, providing an influencer with a personalized coupon code helps you measure the effectiveness of your collaboration, making it easier to assess which partnerships drive the best results. Number 7, campaign management. Organizing your campaigns efficiently is vital for success. These platforms offer a structured environment where marketers can plan, execute, and monitor their campaigns from start to finish. Influencity's campaign management feature provides a visual overview of your campaign's progress. You can monitor each influencer's contribution in real time and adjust your strategy based on performance metrics, ensuring that you stay aligned with your campaign goals. In summary, utilizing the right tools can dramatically improve your influencer marketing campaigns. Influencity offers a comprehensive solution to help brands streamline their process and focus on creativity. With features that support every phase of influencer marketing, from discovery to analysis and reporting, you can optimize your strategy and achieve your marketing goals with ease. If you're interested in discovering all the time-saving tools that Influencity offers, be sure to download our free guide linked in the description to learn more and become an expert. Plus, don't forget to check out our free trial of Influencity to see all of these tools in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on digital marketing tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.